Okay, sweet friends, let's take this time to refresh and re-energize. This is Steph, and remember to like and subscribe. Go ahead and take in a nice deep breath, and with your exhale, allow your eyes to close. Take in another deep breath, and as you exhale, release some of the stress, your to-do list, and now just continue to breathe, knowing that right now in this moment, nothing matters but your breath and being here. Take a moment to release all of your obligations, your deadlines, your stressors from the day. Just give yourself permission to take this few moments to yourself to just relax, to empty your mind, to take a break from the stress, the hustle, your to-do list, everything that's on your mind, your worries, your fears, your challenges. All of that can wait. These next few moments are just for you. And now, as you continue to take in a breath, I want you to focus in on your heart space. Notice the energy there, your heart beating, the energy that just flows in that space. And as you continue to breathe, notice that energy expanding within you. And with each breath in and every exhale out, the energy in your heart space continues to expand until it surrounds you. And this energy is a loving, good, supporting energy. It's one that refreshes you, re-energizes you, helps you feel alive and ready for the rest of your day, so that whatever it is that you need to or want to accomplish can be easily accomplished. With each breath that you take, the oxygen is re-energizing your body. All of your tissues, muscles, every single cell that lives within you is getting re-energized, refreshed, filled with energy and life and health. Every breath you take fills your body with oxygen, and this is a good thing. Oxygen re-energizes you and refreshes you, allows wonderful energy to flow within you. So as you continue to breathe and that oxygen continues to do what oxygen naturally does, continue to allow that energy in your heart space to expand. Perhaps you can imagine the energy in your heart space is a specific color, and with each breath and each exhale, you see that color continue to expand. Reminding yourself that you're worth this time, this moment to re-energize, to recenter yourself. And as you take this time to refresh and to re-energize, it gives you the energy, the motivation, the inspiration to continue to make the best choices for you, and your path to success. Whatever it is you're going towards, whatever you're achieving, whatever you're accomplishing, the oxygen that you're receiving, the time that you're taking right now just to tune into you, your heart space, your breath, only supports your journey. And this feels thrilling and exciting, and you know that you're completely worth this time. So just take a moment and let your breath flow within you, focusing in on your heart space and that energy expanding with each breath, with every inhale, with every exhale, your energy increasing, your support in yourself and your belief and your confidence of accomplishing whatever's ahead of you, that you can easily and effectively accomplish it. Knowing that what you do matters, you make a difference. So now just take some time and breathe and expand your energy. That's right. Very well done. And now you're ready to head back to your day, feeling refreshed, full of energy, incredible, filled with confidence, knowing that you are so magnetic for anything it is that you set your mind to. You are a force to be reckoned with. You're incredible. You go into the rest of your day with confidence, with love, with self-support, knowing that you are capable and able to complete whatever it is that is left on your list to do today. And if you have the opportunity to tap into your brilliance, your creativity, your strengths, your talents, your skills, give yourself the permission to soar, to shine, to be you, your incredible self. Have gratitude for this moment you've given yourself, the break you took to enhance your energy, to connect with your heart space, and just let this wonderful supportive energy grow within you, flow within you, and for the oxygen to do what it naturally does, which is refresh you, re-energize you, to nourish every single cell, muscle, tissue, and organ within you. So now you're ready to go into the rest of your day feeling energized, refreshed, and incredible. When you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes and take this energy with you. It is yours to have, and it lives within you all the time. It's only up to you to activate it. Have an incredible day. Know that you matter. You're incredible. Thank you for being here. Namaste.